Hi, I just wanted to show some pictures to you I found on the internet. At first, here's a map of the Japan, and you can see that the radiation has spread to cover the entire Japan. So the situation is very critical, and in the red spots it is very dangerous amounts of radiation, but has covered all the Japan, and I just wanted to show these pictures. Here you can see at the beginning of the disaster the Fukushima plant is spreading that white smoke. So that smoke is now in the upper atmosphere and it can stay there for years. So it is kind of a roulette spinning there until it randomly comes down anywhere in the world. And as you can see here in the picture, this is from the Chernobyl disaster, and you can see it has spread all over the world here. So this is a catastrophe that covers the entire world, and the media does not take responsibility of this and denies everything. You can see here is picture of the Chernobyl, and there were only one reactor in trouble, and Japan there has been it has been in many places that it could be many tens, many dozens of reactors in trouble in Japan. And another thing that has not been in the media is that there were hundreds or thousands of chemical factories that also burned because of tsunami, and that poisonous smoke has mixed up with the radioactive isotopes, and there is almost 500 isotopes that comes from nuclear disaster. So it is something that media hasn't talked about. For example, plutonium is one isotope. And here you can see the Fukushima power plant. This is an old picture, but you can see it's where they're entirely broken, the reactors there. Well, I just wanted to share these pictures with you, and we'll see what will happen, and